Hey sneaker fan, welcome back to HighFoot Review. Today we are unboxing and review the iconic sneaker, Air Jordan 4 Retro Red Cement. One of the best thing is this video is officially sponsored by ReplicaStore.cc is an online store offering replica fashion item including sneaker, cloth and accessories from brands like Nike, Adidas and luxury labels such as Gucci and Louis Vuitton. This site features discount prices. Check the description below, get our discount. You can save money on your first order. Also, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's go unboxing with some great music.